What's going on, everybody? This is your boy
Mrungwa
Junior,
the
best
in
his
own
league.
Bati
Umrungwa
Boza.
So guys, in today's video, we're sharing a young vlog, guys. Spend the day with South African YouTubers. Actually, this is like a normal day of a South African YouTuber, a random day of like a broke South African YouTuber, because like these YouTubers like ghost movies, YouTubers like us. There's a difference. Yes. Yeah. So like guys, today like spend the day with us. Without the girls of the OBG.
So should I tell her intro?
Oh guys, I'm not rolling alone. I'm rolling with.
Hey yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Felix. You have that shit. Welcome to his YouTube channel or Facebook. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified every time he drops. Yes sir. Hey yo, what's good? It is your boy XQRSA. It's crazy when it is you come.
Guys, so if it's your first time here, and even if you're coming back, make sure to like the video, comment down below, share it with your friends, family, cats, dogs,
lions, snakes. I will put bail. I was suspect.
Malume na ngamchi like nomshana akho like nomzala dokudala wamgcina share le link lo ningasakhulumisana naye
mama Kriza
tap in mzala mhlamba ngakusendela to clip angeke wazi. Yeah guys, make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell
to be
notified
next time.
Get up boy,
skin up kanjani.
Yeah, so like guys, today's video like I'm also gonna be like about clarifying things. They also gonna be clarifying things. Hey my boy. You have a girlfriend. There's rumors that you have a girlfriend. How many months have you been dating a girl?
5 months.
You boy, like are you gonna share me like your videos with her, right? Yeah, so like I'm gonna put them on here. Why aren't they all like doing content anymore? Why aren't they like doing content, like actual content, like TikTok content?
Why?
Yeah.
Like isifuna ukukhomba abantu uthando khona ngithola ngoba abanye abantu bathi uthando likho izinto
social media
ngiyangithola
amathukini boshile
amathukini asipose njani maye
boshile ma2k boss 90s kuzokhuluma kekhuluma 90s ama2k la ngathanda kekhuluma 90s ngobukhulu babo.
Ujola nini umdala kangaka? Ujola nini umdala kangaka?
Awu ndoda 1992 na phela wena kumele kube sona phone nangu umuntu nangu ucala uceda ukuraga ifone inranga zakhe ziraga inkoloyi phet malo mbereko waraga ngayo kuyifone nasi
ndoda ngi 2000.
Oh, una 2000 ngapha transferela isa nicimile kama lokho ngi
2000 une 2000.
Oh uzalwe 2000. Oh ngwa 2000. Umsana lo mthanda chama ama 2000 ana like this year. Oh ayazana like ana 26. Una 26.
Shout out man,
shout out. Shilungu khot man. Batala na ku ghost la. Live like a pig.
Ginyapi. Mara muzudinga ma 15 boss ngemalo
umsebenzi imali span.
Mali 350 le ndoda. 350. Oh awuspan ukhona 350. Spayeli code.
Fuck cool.
Asakho. Ramaphosa wenza.
Ikuse fakela bogazi bakhona ukwenza njalo. So my boy, like which one was your most favorite relationship in OVG that you've ever like seen? Like and who had the most like awesome relationship in your opinion?
Felix. Ngigigit.
That was elite. I won't lie.
Alapha bezibuya. Serious.
Yeah, that era was
Can you
wild.
what they learn?
I want
See,
to say,
OVG.
you. I confronted Gigi, so feel I confronted those pulled up like a lot of times. Felix!
Oh, yes.
Pull up.
Oh, you got-
They might be thinking that they kidnapped you or some shit like that, my nigga.
Boy,
My nigga.
boy,
My nigga.
hey boy.
Okay, so like there was this question that you were raising right now, ne?
It's in listen. Let I talk about Karachu. Like right now.
Who's your like what's your favorite relationship in OVJ? Who had like your most favorite relationship in OVJ?
Like I don't understand. Isn't like can you please be more specific?
Excuse dating right now, ne? You can like say like their relationship maybe like is your favorite to you, or like the relationship.
Okay,
like,
Ngibalele. Okay, like count the people dating like right now.
now we're talking like also about the past ones, even you and Kiki too.
My favorite.
Yeah.
Oh, what can I say at this point?
CPK Maseo.
They wanna date him.
Ah,
That point,
son.
that's the damn.
Okay, fuck.
That's wild.
Why?
I really have eggs, my god. Really got eggs. Yeah,
Oh, yakho benenkinga ka.
Like, what meaning?
not really,
Okay,
but
wait.
yeah.
Like I have a question, Zara.
Jama.
I have a question.
Jama.
Pull up here. Like yeah, stand there.
Jama,
Stand there,
jama.
stand there. I have a question.
so
I have a question. Are you like nah Eto? Wait. I have a question. Do you like have beef with like Skoko and like that other guy that bought like flowers for him? Or you don't have beef? Oh, so you're all are cool. Or you just ate their cheek?
Yeah.
That's what you know. Tissue healed. Angisho jola wanye umazukazi yakhumbula getha.
Miss Target.
Isala. Omunye wafika nakabuya elokanjini nakabuya ethombeni umthengela ama flower and shit naye wagetha. Wafika ugazi waloyi ivisa.
Hey, wafethu, my hair is trash, and please don't judge.
Judge by all means. Judge by all means. Make sure to
Let me
judge.
chigarize that. Like two spins.
You and your bitches, you mfana ngathi sikakufikela lapho.
Eva.
Where?
Hayi ba, uyabona.
Where go?
Eh?
Where we go?
Crown.
Yeah. Okay.
Cabanga sengifika lapha.
Right now.
Ngifika lapha kushisana.
Right now.
Yo.
Hi.
Eva Pets.
So ukho nje nekushaya mukbang. Kakhwizi.
Ndo tamara ngisasekhona ibigla kusasa nje.
Crazy right now, crazy and this was supposed to be an angle. This was gonna be a good angle.
Two spins.
I wanna make
Manje ka.
As women in my life.
like if you had to erase one person from your past like they never existed, who would it be? What's the exact moment you'd want it be done?
Yeah?
If you had to remove anyone from like your past, like they never existed, like if bofuna like remove,
Yeah.
and they won't remove njani?
Ungafuna umremove njani?
Yeah. Like bonge like anyway blocker.
Museum unbroken.
Ra bakhuluma dog you ngathi you gonna go outside.
Okay.
And just a video. Like that's just you know like the thing that like is listen bro, listen. It isn't because like boozer one isn't just like from outside. It's because like I know with like right now we're gonna like freestyle. So if you come on set, boni like stop. You can't be like cooperate.
Yeah.
You know.
Nongamcisho. Or ngisacrifice ngayo.
Yeah. I'd also like sacrifice. When I like ungamxosha kanjani from your past, like anyone ungafuna irizwe njani umuntu like ungazwani naye from your past, like ungafuna ukuthi asuswe njani like emhlabeni. Nokho ngamblock. But like erase like they never existed when you block.
Ngamphikela amanga mina.
Okay, thanks. Okay, shout out. Shout out.
Mara ngiyo nayo musle. Ngiyo nayo musle.
Phikela manga.
Araksi.
Umpikela amanga
Ngimphikela amanga.
Batsho umphikela amanga.
Ngimphikela amanga emntwini odangerous abesho.
Umazelapho muntu.
Ayikho umuntu loyo.
Ngithanda dayimani.
Ayikho umuntu la amjezisa ngambulala.
How? Why not like dog? How would you want it be done?
Mina ngithanda ngabulalela nje. Singiyawubuyela. Ngibuya ngani? Fly khona. Ikhamba njalo nayo imali. Unayo imali. Beyiboleka no. Ukubani?
Amthengisa.
Shut out! One time! We sell it!
Manifest. Yeah. Shut up.
3.
I'm kidnapping by you, sir.
3.
Mara kusukumbulala lo.
Ngamchayisa ngekoloni.
Bese.
Okay, but if you could commit any crime for 24 hours without
Getting caught.
consequences, like you won't face any consequences for 24 hours, which crime would you commit first?
Cheat.
Rob a bank.
Rape. I'm rape, Astro.
Cheater.
Yeah.
That's not a
Secret.
Tsotsi lobo na. Angibanjwa mus.
Jail konchito ngabantu.
Yeah? Hayi ukuthi
Uzakukhombisa ukuthi uloyali.
Ngiyakhona ukucheat.
Manje without any consequences.
Oh. Alright. Izayi ngichaza.
Same time.
Bambamba
Consequences. Angisho bathi kunama consequences.
Mina ngibaropisha pride.
Lapho ngasiza abantu abaningi. Lapho bulala uDonald Trump.
Mina ngibaropisha pride or KFC. No.
This nigga right here. This motherfucker right here. I will rob a bank. You will rob it.
You gave us the most expensive item.
Lalela guys.
Uyazela.
Lalela guys.
Uyayithola. Uyayithola. Kusukuma kwakho kusuka la ukuyale ngoba uyayitholile bo ma museum thola sithombe nyane esinye seapula. Yizo sidududula yophi emhlabeni. 1 trillion uyabazi ngithombe.
Izayichazela ngithola. Angisho yokuropi bank. Then mayokuropi bank imali leyo sisibhanisa grand uyangithola hayi ekudleni. Then eKFC if ungiropi KFC ukudla siyazenzela mos. Yeah. Uthini?
Ama selfie nama blind date kuhlangana apha.
Uyathanda na space ngisho. Ama-video athatha boma 10 minutes.
10 minutes to 12 minutes. Phela into ezonto ngizikhipa.
I-selfie ithatha boma 6 seconds. Ayithathi nge-seconds.
Ithatha KBs. Ayithathi nama MPs into leyo.
Press-ons. Yeah.
Milliseconds. Press-ons one time. They are called milliseconds. And they are not like, it doesn't even take like a second. It doesn't even take like a millisecond. Okay. What's the savage thing you've ever done after getting rejected? Be honest. Ngoba ngiyanazi mina nanthalo wabo like nabanalawo nithi ngiyashela. Umntazana lo inhleke yazuluka njengekuphi nje.
Mina leza
Bonile ukuthi ugeza ngoba wena.
Honest. Mina guys ngizwa
Udlambile udume ngazo.
Yeah.
When I hear like what's the worst that you've ever done?
Dog ayikho guys. Next.
Bakwala bese wathini?
Shapeli.
Bamhlanga to. Lokele ngimkho.
Kufana nendoda.
Look like a house one time.
Shout out.
Mina next.
Mina mthanda.
Ngiyashift.
mangibudaya ngifuna ukutshela
What's the worst wena?
mina ngithi mthabe ngavili
Wenzeni? Wamtshela
isibambiso
wamtshela ukuthi ufuna usibambisa.
mara ke ngahleba ngaye ngatshela amajidu ukuthi umntwana umlomo
Ngiyahleba nima out.
ngalo lo
ngahle bangubani
ngiyadlala mama
Ejo. Yeah, and bafethu la mina ke ngizonibuza nga1 by 1 if angizwisisi la. Cause ngiyazi ukuthi vela khona. What's the rumor about you that is actually true? And usaba ukuyivuma. What's trending about you that they are saying and usaba ukuyivuma? Yeah. What did they want to say about you? What did they want to say about you?
mina kuyiwani kuphela ndoda
weba mina
Thank you, man.
mengo
Matuma Rumengo.
hayi ma
arangathini mina mthana ngibhala ama-toilet uthrow impipi ema-toilet
Dixon was here, nguwe.
khulumqiniso kusho
Wena?
stealing it right
ayini ayikho kazi feve nhle
febe straight
yafeva wena hawu mara lo ngitshola naye ngiyitshentshile igame
Umuntu lo jola naye ngiyirumela qiniso bayadlela kazi. Kazi
Which is
bayadlela.
not yours.
That beach is not yours. And like
She belongs to the street.
the street on top. My nigga, sit down. Let me tell you something. That bitch loves you, man. I'm not saying that bitch doesn't love you. But you're not the only nigga, my nigga. You tough. Like, listen to me. Listen to me. Two hands is different, like you. I'm sure when you're like, nah, but dog, I don't cheat, and like, I can see myself when I'm cheating with like I'm different when I'm talking to a hand. A hand can like love you more, like when she starts cheating. You know that? You know what? For you to not jump shit.
Nami nongenzawo
Alright.
mara just ukangisamisa nje yangani
Now the rumor about me, the rumor about me, mina choyazine. Let me just yazini. Enhle astarify nama rumor like ikeba wakhuluma ngayo. Starify nama rumor. Okay, wena sharp ngisho like bathi ngithanda lento wami.
ngijona nabana
Okay, sharp, is that true?
uyi-one
Okay, we won.
Yeah.
Okay, we clarify it. Thank you. Because it's illegal kangcono ukuthi why statement eso bastating ukuthi bakubona uphethe uyi1. Laba abanye ma 21.
because of social
Laba abanye ma 21.
grade 10 so grade 9 umuphi
Wena lokuphatha 7. Lokuphatha 7.
Ngithatha
7 6. Lapha 6 5. Lapha
bayazazi bokubukela
grade 2.
bayazazi bokubukela
Laba basiza.
qala to be honest qala
Arso.
to be honest mina azange ngajona nabona abaningi ngajona nabona abayi-4 empilweni nami abanye ababengi babhizi nabo nje
Hayi misabentwana ngitsho. What's the like? Who's the youngest? Okay, what's the youngest age you've ever dated? Because I'm full ukulume igama lakhe. Yeah. What's the youngest age you've ever dated?
2014
Bekana ngaki? 2014.
kabanga
2014.
kabanga
Yo. Benkoke graduation. 2014 graduate. I was at school. I was at school when that bitch was born.
2013
And the 2014. 14. Yeah,
2012 man.
Okay. 2014. Okay, 2014 to now it's 20. Okay, it's how many years? It's been how many years? 10, 11. 10, 11.
Una 12.
Grade 7.
Una 12.
Grade 7.
Grade 7, 8, 9. Grade 7, 12, grade 12.
Una 12.
Grade 7.
Una 12 years.
12.
No.
The police gotta interfere with
Shut up,
this shit,
man.
man.
Shut up. Oh, ngidlula kade.
Nga 2 years. Yabo. Akusiphe 15. Phela nota abanye abomama badlulela kakhulu.
Man, yekela indaba zabazali, yabona indaba zabazali. Indaba zabazali zingihlulile nami. Zingihlulile ngathi ngicalculate ngokuthi ugogo wami bamtholana ngaye kugogo wakhe ngathola ukuthi bana 12. Mtshana kunengi. Into ze-age zabantu abadala zihlangahlangene khulu zabo 19 ungangitsheli ngama 90s mina mtshana. Sipha. What's the rumor about you? Alright, mina ngeke ngizoyitsho ke ngifuna ukuthi clarify right now.
Nami ngiyayikhuluma nje.
Alright yitsho.
Bari na akitlapa akitsamaya kiya special occasions.
Mina ngiba ukuthi like explain eziyi2 ke right now. Lezi shape lezi ngizibonile. Cause like ziyimbi nje like yeah. Leyo ukuthi since like uFelix avayile bathi sombashile. Can you tell me?
Siliqiniso.
Ngoba lelo kusili iqiniso nje. Mina ngifuna ukuthi uyiclarify.
Lalela gazi. Mina that's why ngizithathele hlo. Ngoba akusiliqiniso bakhuluma izinto ezingekho. Bathi ngicokana impahla zaka Felix. Mina ngifuna abafake isithombe C1 la ngicoko isiphahla saka Felix.
Njani mthana uceda ukuyophinga impahla nje
Oh
mthana.
no.
Ubuyele ngekhite ngaba mthana Mariazi.
Mina ntampa impahla every end of.
Endo
Mara
ngeke baphike nabo quiz mthana.
Bazokuthi ini.
Awunayo million views ku TikTok maruphi yabalabala.
Eish.
Hayi
Khuluma masini.
khuluma masini. Nathan ke angiboni naye.
Eish.
Yazi. Nigga is dating a beach called Thank You. That beach is called Thank You Shachwayo. Thank You Shachwayo.
Laqhazela. Yazi labo bama shade room benzani? Bakhuluma izinto abazenzayo.
Yeah.
Bakhipha amaqiniso abo ukuthi bona bagezi.
Bakhona ukufeel bad.
Ngithola then bazijikisela ngayitwa ngithola.
Okay. Mina ngiba uclarify le. Because azange clarify someone esakhuluma ngayo. Which one?
Go to jail.
We think what in? Which one?
Eh?
Which one?
Tell abantazana ukuthi that's just for content.
It was not for content, it was for real love purposes.
Damn, bro.
It was just one piece that I dated for content, and now people are saying that I dated bitches for content. It was just one pitch.
Damn, bro.
Like bitch.
Better be better again.
Please, Joe, not on every video. Please, God. What's the messiest thing you've ever done when you are jealous?
Nazanga wathi.
Oh, sebakudlela wathi hayi. Hayi isivarm out.
Oh, yazi mina ngenzani kazi? Ngizakuchazela. Mina ngenza revenge.
Yeah, nami nathanda revenge.
If uyangidlela esitokweni sami ngathola ukuthi uyajola. Revenge.
Now we in the sex talk.
Wapalelwa. Never. Never.
Ish. Okay. Okay, who's the most Guyu, thank you.
Gulo basically 24.
In the English.
All
of them, ne?
Queen FM, man.
Yeah,
Echo, who's the this question is okay. This question is so good. Who's the most overrated person in OVG?
Anna.
Yeah, overrated.
Overrated.
Boss, overrated. Felix Agasi overrated. Like, okay, Skatin. yazi umuntu overrated umuntu njani umuntu like bathi yo blind ngithole bamrate ngayikulu mara like akasi blind ngaleyo ndlela like bayamglazer so like our man like kids yeah like like they are saying that she's doing too much or he's doing too much kube our he's not or she's
kids
ne nangibona ngathi kuwe nangibona ngathi kuwe ayabaza bokhwizi mara bathi uboss zuzu nothing no benga nothing
hawo siyaphosela phosela
Layizolo umabuzi ukhulume ngoboss.
hey ndoda
Hey wena. Yeah, ngulo wathi ngulo
ukhuluma wathi
Sofuna
uzoyibona. Uyibona.
wena ngubani like ubona ngathi overrated
Ngulo mina.
ave nguboss child.
Kwenze batheni ku comment leya. Kwenze batheni ku comment leya. Ku comment leya ngalo.
okay
Yeah, Mr. Moshi.
okay what do you judge people for but low key like now like into leyo yayenza yeah we wanted to
ngengayenza
uyabajaja nabayenzayo mara nawe ufuna uyenza
ukake esikolweni
batukake esikolweni uyabajaja mara ishalazi maninga yo ntwana
shutha la ngizobuya kufonela
yo ntwana
ngale esikolweni
kake esikolweni uyafisa manje uyabajaja mfana
Yona into lena
ukake esikolweni kake esikolweni ngakaka
wena yini
yeah
wena yini
mina ngiphethe
into le bayenzayo vele mara like yam ubajaja ngayo mara nawe uyayenza
amuyayenza ayikho
mina yazi
mina ngasho ukuthi engingayenza
yini
kweba kweba amajuku
Aduke babajuwe maka last nama-criminal bafethu nina ngathi nina njengebela izinto
ngihenge bamajuku
omunye beke bamajumu omunye beke bemabhoxa
ashimani lota siyashutha sure lota siyashutha sashutha la ufelix uselokayo usegroundini vaye kuyo uzakuvela naye leli langa ngibokhaya so yeah sure ke ithi siqhubekise video
okay khoyithe yini wena
awakhuluma nomjambo mina ngithe ngathi kwebe
Oh, mina kimi yazini
feba
ngibajaji mara musangijaji umuntu ngijaji like yazi mina yini vane ngijaja vo-ghost for ukuthi bantu kumane balayita amavidiyo bamane banokulayita nje amavidiyo bese bangenzi next nje bamane bavloge nje vele the whole day bese ividiyo imane iphele nje for 30 minutes like kungana like full meaning ukuthi kwenzakalani
Usasha yena.
into leyo ngiyabajaja ngiyangithola kungenzakali next ngithola baloko nje sebakhamba kuphela sebakhuluma kuphela like sekuyi-normal day kuphela ngiyabajaja for ukwenza into leyo but I do that too sometimes yeah like right now so but at least amshaye ngemubhanyana liseshaye ibhanyana she like that isho
Bashukake esikolweni.
what's the worst advice you've ever given someone or when you've ever got
Ukuthi ngibuyele eshirini eyi-1.
oh worst advice ukuthi ungancengi ntombi kumele uyinceke
yeah kumele uyinceke yeah mina ngileyo ukuthi bathi kumele uyinceke nto
advice erona nah like the worst
mara kumele uyincenge
The worst
mara
one.
kumele ungayincenge
the worst advice that I've gave someone is to like trying your hoop yabo
Tiny one.
Try Nyaupe.
Nyaupe.
Yeah.
Nyaupe.
Yeah, Nyaupe. Like, yeah. Like,
Wena walungayizama.
no. Like that nigga said that like weed isn't hitting anymore. So like I said like nah nigga, you should try that Nyaupe, like crystal. And that nigga like decided to that nigga decided to try crystal. He's now like smoking crystal. Ah shit, Ranji, nakafika it's bad.
No, that thing is going to vascular.
Next week. Malobola zangamkaya advice. Wazithanyela. Okay, what's one thing you fake about yourself online?
Ngafika ukuthi ngifovile.
Yeah, ngiyakwazi ngescooter wena ubethelela khulu useseyintwana ngokuthi unescooter abubakhamba boy bungabayididini wena ukuthi ubamba intombi you get hoes mara una next yazazi nawo na next uncenga ngo0
Mina ukuthi angijoli kube ngijoli. Yeah. Then nina nithi inina kwababa. Kano mina ngiyakena udayino imeni yajoli.
Kuyafana musunayo kwababa kongajola ungawuni ube nayo kwababa kanti ngibona uthi wathi nawune kwababa ukuthi utenge ukhona ujola you can date unayo kwababa ngoba nje sikabiza isitoko nje lokukhakhazela
kwababa ngilezi.
uzakhakhazela phela wena
the shoe fit.
inyathelo liyalingana ngifuna live proof yokuthi unegwabs lapho live proof on footage on camera that the shoe fit guys this video proves that guys kwababa
mina nje mangabethi idudlu bavu madolo sidudlu yokuthatheka obvious maya ngeke ngasela
Dudlu bavu.
ngale indebele njalo wabo
dudlu bavu
dudlu bavu seyathathekile nedukusho njalo yabo simple maya cabanga sokuthi idudlu bavu evilweni sisi lo yabo that's why banengcine sengifike lapha ngithi hayi mina ngayirize English
shit.
Masaka kuyoriza amafans akhe live. Yakhumula muzaba. Uriza amafans akhe live.
What's the pettiest reason you've ever cut someone off?
Yeah.
Like what's the dumbest reason you've ever cut someone off? Like it isn't useless.
Useless.
Yeah, what that I'm long some cool. Yo mina maningi yo.
Awona kuwe maningi.
Ublock abantu bengayi ublockile.
Wena ukuthi yabezi la OVG wena nethi ukuthi mro wakhe ngikhona ukuza yamblock
Cut off.
Hayi mina ayikho guys ayikho
Phela unosisa
OVG
awukho
basazokusayina
ipi ikhona ne group of like yeah
basazokusayina bafuna ukubona ukuthi
yabo mawuhleli la 1 hour la sokusayina njani
bafuna ukubona ukuthi angithola serious ngento esiyenzako yangithola yeah
jenga uMK
MK yabo thina siza
nangu boss boss wena umphula khulu wena guys
boss uyachoma aswenka
yeah we'll continue that shit like when we like get to like yeah we'll continue this vlog this is gonna be a vlog yeah gonna continue doing it like things like that tamam
every video kanwezani bethi question ogcina mthana boy ungiphekela Wangiphekela ka?
Na Juma na. Mara yo. Ngilambile na.
That's why you end the video. Ulambile. Ufuna end the video kentayela nje.
Okay, if your camera roll like yo, so camera roll akho ne. like vele ama-video akho and pictures woke unalawo hidden alikhile woke ngisiphi isikhathi endele uphilo ngale video endele uphilo
Ngana mayini
6 days kadala bafethu
yabo last lesikhathi ngizakuthi ngibona iphone efoni nami bengingakhuluma mala kazi one life one life two truths azangakhuluma wala wena usho ukuthi kumele sikuthele ngamanzi
yeah manje sekathi kuba iculture la bafethu water is not water is starting to become our culture
mina umrungu akazenzi izinto ezona ngisho
I'm still young.
still young
I don't think like I'll do that like no child.
kwenza lokho
Like I only have like two body counts.
ha
Yeah, tell us.
Achone.
tamani 25 sure ini 25
Body count basho I'm 25 tamam.
30
Oh,
30 30 tamani uja wasesibenu boni yabo sesibenu bagcwala la so bese nina nitisile yabo kekethu singazi amamembe ethu
bafethu my body count is 2.
stop the cap
My body count is
ngoba nintoke
Stop the cap.
thomeni utshwala
yeah, like I had like hearts, but like
Friends
they
zone.
were my past and amanye bengofriends amanye yabona bengwafuna ngibhampisa. Guys, she could like that. So like yeah, it's past midnight right now. Having a sleepover with the boys. The boys already asleep. He was busy with his phone at the charger, and now he fell asleep. He was asleep nearby the charger.
Kanto wakhulula phansi kanje.
And this is your favorite influencer ever.
Ata busy noma sound lapho yenzayo.
Let's play.
Laban pa na. Ne. Laban. Yala lang. Yala lang. Yala lang pa na.
guys. And guys,
See you in this video. Stop it.